Exodus 33 verse 13. I prayed, if I have found grace in thy sight, show me now thy way, that I may know thee, that I may find it, and consider this nation is thy what? People. Let's go to verse 18. Let's go to verse 18. Verse 18. And he said, that's Moses now, I beseech, show me what? Thy glory. And he said, I will make all my goodness pass before thee, and I will proclaim the name of the Lord before thee, and will be gracious to whom I will be gracious, and will show mercy unto whom I will show mercy. Let's go to 22 for sake of time. And it shall come to pass, while my glory passeth by, that I will put thee in a cleft of the rock, and will cover thee with my hand. Will I pass by, and I will take away my hand, and thou shalt see my back part, but my face shall not what? Be seen. When the Bible says Moses spoke to God face to face, right? But see what God said. My face will not what? So what was he speaking to face to face? The glory, light. A voice was coming from that light unto Moses. So that dimension of glory entered him, and his face too began to shine like the sun. Are we together? And it was after this encounter that Moses was given access into the revelation of Genesis. Praise God. Moses was the one that wrote Genesis, but he was not born then. Right? He could tell you how God started creation, but he was not there. It was by reason of this encounter he got access to it. And after this encounter was when his face what? Began to shine in 34. Praise God. Intimacy. This is what God is emphasizing on this season. Intimacy with the presence of God. Intimacy.